I'm going to tell you how to optimize your Facebook and Instagram ads to target the right set of users who are interested in buying the product and your services which you provide. Okay, so don't go anywhere, watch this video to the end and I'm going to show you how to do that. Welcome guys. So if this is the first time visiting my channel, I say a very big welcome to you. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell to turn on post notification. If you're already a subscriber, then I say welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to optimize your Facebook and Instagram ads in such a way that whenever you run your ad campaign, you're going to get the right set of people who are going to buy your products and services. Don't go anywhere, okay? Just stay tuned and watch this video to the end and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, if you run ads and your ads are not be getting results, then just know that there might be some little things you are doing wrongly, or you are not optimizing your ad campaign to get to the best result that you want. Now, lately, I've come to discover that whatever you think, not just whatever you type, not just whatever you search for, even as you think it, you tend to see whatever you are looking for online. So now let's take, for instance, if you're thinking that I need to get like a wristwatch, okay, you didn't search for it, you just thought about it, you'll find out that most of the ads that it comes along is going to show up with wristwatch. Okay, it's not 100% accurate, but there are 50% chances that you lately begin to see wristwatch kind of ad. It's not like those ads do not exist, they are already there, but the problem or the thing there is now is the right time that you want to buy this product and services. So you begin to take note of every ad or every content which you see related to wristwatch. That is why whenever you see wristwatch pop up, you get, or it gets your attention. So before we dive deep into it, please click on the like button to like this video so that more people can see this video. Secondly, tell me in the comment section, have you ever thought about something and then you see the ad pop up? There was a day I was craving for Cold Stone ice cream. I wanted to take it, but I didn't have the strength to enter the car and then go and pick it up at Cold Stone. Okay, I just made a post on my status and I said I'm craving Cold Stone ice cream. In less than 30 minutes, when I went to YouTube and as I was watching a video on YouTube, guess what I saw? Yeah, you guess right. I saw Cold Stone ice cream there, like the advert was there looking at me, and the ad said that you don't need to go to Cold Stone to get it. All you need to do is place an order and then we're going to send it to you. Like, wow, I was like, my God. Okay, and this ad was coming from Jumia Food. I was like, my God, that means I could just place an order now and let them deliver it to me. So you can see that there is a relationship between whatever you search for with your phone. The phone or the new modern phone that is being built is built with so much artificial intelligence that anything you think, anything you search, it pop up immediately as an ad. Let me give you another illustration. I needed to get a wall frame. Okay, so I went to Instagram and I searched for wall frame Abuja or wall frame Lagos. Okay, so the account that sell wall frame, those are the accounts pop up. So I went through them and sent a DM to some people and all that. Guess what? Within an hour, I started seeing ads on Warframe. I have never seen any ads on Warframe before. But at that moment, I saw close to 5 different ads in a day on Warframe, and that ad keep on showing for 1 good week. So you can optimize your ad in such a way that it can get the right set of people to buy into your product or your services. So now, how do you now optimize your ad in such a way that it gets to the right set of target audience? It is very simple. You have to use keywords. Keyword is something that is very unique. You have to think like a buyer. So what are the keywords my target audience are looking for that they want to buy now? So if you sell shoe, you have to think, what keywords are they looking for whenever they go to Google or whenever they go to Instagram to search for? Are they looking for keywords related to shoe, shoe in Lagos, shoe in Nigeria, shoe in Abuja. So what exact kind of keyword are they looking for? You target people based on keyword. Keyword is the right way, or is the best way where you can target specific kind of people. And believe me, if you do your laser targeting effectively, your ad is going to pop up to the right set of people who are not just going to waste your time, people who are ready buyers, people who want to buy now, not people who want to buy later. And you're going to find out that they're going to send you messages, and then you begin to make more money. I've seen this work. I did a research targeting, audience research targeting for a client, and I sent her 25 different target audience or different keywords she could use to target the right set of people that she wants to target. Guess what? She used that and ran an ad, and she was able to make over, I think, close to 100,000 naira in less than 3 days. In less than 3 days. And guess how much she spent on ads? 2,500 naira. That was what she spent on ads. So if you can work on your targeting, if you can work on that keywords, believe me, your ad is going to pop up to the right set of people. And if you don't know how to do this, you want to learn how to go about researching the right set of keywords, and you want me to help you give you the keywords that is going to get you the desired results that you want, I have a course for you. It's called the Ad Toolkit. All right, so in this Ad Toolkit, I'm going to not just research for you 25 keywords. I'm going to get you instant buyer. Not just that, you're also going to learn the $1 ad strategy, how to run a $1 ad daily and still get maximum result. And then I'm also going to give you the mobile ad course, which is a secret or a strategy which I was able to use to make 1.8 million naira with 75,000 naira spent on ads for a client. And guess what? All I use is my mobile phone, not a laptop. All I use is my mobile phone. So if you want to steal this Ad Toolkit, just click in the description. There's going to be either up on the card, or there's going to be a description below. You see a link there. Just click on it and then steal this Ad Toolkit. I'm going to send you the resources in less than 24 hours. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to give us a like and to click on the subscribe button. You can also share this so that more people can get to see it, and also follow us on Instagram.